Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Sonata. If you guys have a Hyundai Sonata and you have leaking washer fluid reservoir guys on your Hyundai Sonata, we will explain the top places where you can develop a leak, what can cause a leak. Stay with us guys, some of those are super easy fixes. So we're going to explain about 3-4 different places where you can develop a leak and why you're leaking windshield washer reservoir fluid on Hyundai Sonata. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools, anything for your Hyundai guys, okay, we're going to share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, and you can see where we get all the tools and parts from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can save you even more money and provide even more videos. Now, if you have a Hyundai, you want to check guys our second channel, it's called Electrical Car Repair Live. We're going to share so much helpful information about diagnostics, engine codes and things like that there as well, so definitely check it out. So let's explain now guys. Okay, let's say you add fluid, washer fluid, and it starts leaking. You park your car, you notice that you're leaking washer fluid. Now you have to ask yourself, did you use the washer sprayer, okay, the one for the wipers that you spray to clean the window, or not? Let's say if you didn't use it and you're leaking, okay, fluid, what can cause that guys? Okay, the washer reservoir is right here on top, and if you follow it, it comes to the bottom. So we want to show you guys specifically, if you come through the fender liner or underneath the car, that's where the washer fluid reservoir is located. So if you come under the car, you can easily see if it's wet guys and where it's coming from. If you cannot suspect guys, okay, wipe it and see again where the fluid is coming from. In some cases it could be a cracked windshield washer reservoir, and we'll have a video how to replace it. It could be right here. Okay, we're going to remove the motor in a second and show you there is one gasket there that can easily leak guys. So let's go ahead. Okay, we're going to remove that motor quick. We have our bumper disconnected so we can show you with a great detail, otherwise it's impossible. And right here we just have one clip, okay, that we need to pry up a little bit, and that motor comes out. You can see that's the gasket here that can develop a leak guys, and that gasket is easily replaceable. Okay, you can just grab it, okay, pull it out and replace it. That's very common place where you can develop a leak. Number 3, the motor itself can be leaking in some cases. It can be cracked, broken, and it can be leaking. That's possible too. Now number 4 our bumper just fell off all the way. But number 4 now, okay, right here you have a washer sensor that detects how much fluid you have. So if guys, okay, that gasket or the sensor is bad, okay, it can actually start dripping here as well. But get underneath, wipe and see where it's coming from. If it's the reservoir, the gasket, the motor. Now let's say it doesn't leak, but then all of a sudden you use your wipers to clean the window and you notice that after that you get a leak. It's very possible that you have a bad pump or a broken hose or disconnected hose somewhere here guys. And that hose, it's pretty short. It goes all the way from here, okay, to the top. Let's open and you can actually see it. Okay, it's going to go underneath here. Okay, right here is the hose. You can see that's the hose, goes under here, and you can see it goes to the sprayer. So those are the most common things that will cause leaks guys. And if you want to see how to replace the reservoir, okay, the videos on the channel, the pump we just showed you the guys, and the gasket itself. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.